Start with a clear one-sentence recap that states the problem, the actions taken, and the expected outcome. When summarizing a completed service call for a customer, begin by restating the original fault in plain language and explain why it caused the symptom. Describe the diagnostic steps you took in order so the customer understands the method rather than the jargon. For example, mention that you verified power, measured component voltages, and tested system pressures and airflow. List each repair action concisely, naming replaced parts and cleaning or adjustment tasks, and note brand or part model only if it matters for warranty or future ordering. Give measurable expected results, such as improved energy use, quieter operation, or specific temperature or pressure targets to watch for over the next 1 to 2 weeks. Offer 2 short preventative actions the homeowner can perform and how often to do them, such as changing filters every 3 months or clearing debris from outdoor units monthly. End the paragraph by saying how to reach you for questions and what follow-up, if any, you will perform, such as a brief check call in 7 days. The most common mistakes are vague summaries that leave the customer unsure what was fixed, failure to mention simple care steps that prevent repeat issues, and not setting expectations for follow-up. If the summary is vague, provide a 1 or 2 line plain language diagnosis plus the key repair so the customer has clarity. If care steps are missing, give specific routines and intervals the homeowner can follow and explain the risk of skipping them. If follow-up is not set, promise a check-in window or explain signs that would warrant a return visit and how the homeowner should contact you. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around local projects and helps translate service details into homeowner-friendly language. We offer a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from each other.